Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 1497 Amberwood South here in Arnold. Come on inside, let's take a look. Come on into wood-like laminate. The living room is currently converted into a photography studio. Flow through into what would be the formal dining room. Come into the kitchen, granite countertops, white cabinets, white appliances, nice bay window, lots of windows, nice and bright. Nice level lot, fenced backyard. Come through the open floor plan family room. Family dining area. There's a half bath in the hallway. Come on upstairs, let's take a look. One of two bedrooms, ample closet space. Flow through into the master bedroom. Skylights, vaulted ceiling, two closets, his and hers. Master bath. Third bedroom at the end of the hallway. Nice and bright hall bath. Come into the basement, enter into a family room. Right behind it's the fourth bedroom. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. For more information on this home, visit us at our website at kn-team.com or call us at 410-599-1370. Welcome home.